In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Voicemod soundboard not working on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is open up Voicemod. So go ahead and open up Voicemod, but make sure to run it as administrator for this. So click on yes, and then from here, make sure to turn voice changer on. And then obviously choose your voice you'd like to change it to. So you change it. Now from there, just go ahead and minimize that. Now next step is to get in the settings. So click on search, type in settings. And then inside of settings, click onto system tab. Then to the right, click on the sound. And now under input, make sure Voicemod is activated. So you can see Voicemod is selected. If it goes back to your usual microphone, I've got a Wi-Fi microphone, that means Voicemod has been turned off or something's happened. So just go ahead, and if that's the case, completely close out of Voicemod or go to your task manager, end task, and reopen it up. Now we've got that out the way. So from here, once you've got that correct, now open up Discord. Now you want to go ahead and click into user settings, and then under user settings, we need to find the voice and audio tab here. So if we keep scrolling down, here it is here under app settings, voice and video. Now to the right of that, I'm just going to click out of that. So voice microphone, it is Windows default, so it's selected Voicemod virtual audio device, so that's selected it for me, so I don't need to make any changes. But if it's selected my usual microphone, I want to go ahead and click onto that and then choose your Voicemod virtual audio device. Your speakers can be set to your usual speakers, or you can change it if you like, and then click out of that. Now once you've done that, Voicemod should be working inside of Discord. Now if you're still having issues, I suggest just uninstalling your Voicemod and then go onto Google or go ahead and re-download it, install it, restart your PC, and then go through that process again. You might have some corrupt files of Voicemod in your system if that is the case.